Let's take a look at question 2. Here we go. So we've got a y squared. This time we're solving for y. 2y minus 3 is greater than 0 this time. So that means it's going to lie outside the two critical points. Well, let's find the critical points first. So I'm going to solve for y. That's 2y minus 3. I'm going to say equals 0. Let's find those points first of all. So y and y. So we're looking for factors of 3. So I'm just going to put a little sidebar over here. Here we go. So we're looking for factors of 3. I've got 1 and 3. Oh, it's prime. That's only two things. So let's see what we've got. So signs are going to be different. The biggest of the two numbers is going to be negative. Which is the biggest of the two? It's the 3. 3 goes in there. 1 goes in here. Equals 0. Therefore, we can say either y plus 1 is 0, in which case we'll subtract 1 from both sides, and y would have to be negative 1. Or y minus 3 is equal to 0. That's my y minus 3. I'm going to add 3 to both sides, add 3 to both sides. There it is. So therefore y is equal to positive 3. So they're my two critical values. There they are. All right. So now we can go ahead. So these are the points now on our parabola. Here's our parabola. I'll just draw a parabola here. Here it is. We've got a positive 3. I'll put a 3 over here. I've got a negative 1 over there. That's my negative 1. Parabola is going to look something like this. It's going to go down. It's going to turn around. Head up like that. There's my... And by the way, I'm not really labeling the axes and things. I should really, but I think it's pretty clear what's going on. So here are my two values, there and there. Now, because it is greater than 0, it's going to be the things on either side of those. And because it's not greater and equal, it's just greater, it's going to be everything but this point. So if I'm going to draw my number line, here's my number line, here's my 0 point, here's my plus 3, here's my negative 1. So it's not going to include this point. It's going to be everything that side. And it's not going to include this point. It's going to be everything that side. So when we write our inequality, we don't try and write it as one statement. We write it as two separate statements. So x, in fact, is going to be less than negative 1. Or, this one here, x is going to be greater than 3. And that's how we write our answer. Hope that makes sense.